Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. I know, they know. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum Course.
On a previous video, I already taught you the beats. Today we are going to play them using different speed. Let's start with the speed of 60.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now let's increase the speed to 80.
This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that the next time you'll see our new videos, and please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye.